Have you ever heard the saying that goes, you can tell a lot about the person by how they eat, or dress, or even on how they keep their car? But, what can you tell about a person by the way they invest? In this video, I am going to reveal my entire investment portfolio across all different asset classes. Investing your money is undoubtedly one of the best ways to grow your wealth. The old rule of investing has always been to push the typical 60-40 rule, 60% in high-risk equities and 40% in fixed income. This arguably provides the safest mix of investments to allow for decent growth and wealth protection. But, as more and more investment knowledge become readily available on forums, YouTube, Discord, Reddit, and other social media, people are looking for different ideas that they can use to beat the overall market. There is no short of online gurus who showcase investment ideas on specific stocks or funds that can beat the market. Many people who search for these investment ideas get easily enticed by account performance screenshots showing thousands of % returns, and visuals of easy riches investing in these ideas. However, people need to realize that the chances of beating the market over a long period of time is very difficult. Studies after studies have shown that most investment professionals, from mutual fund managers to hedge funds, have always underperformed the overall market. In fact, they fall more short of beating the market when you add in all the fees on top of their lackluster performance. I mean, these are the same people with millions at their disposal for market research. What do you think our chances are? Honestly, as individual investors, we do have some unique advantages when it comes to investing. Small investors can actually rely on the ground floor research. Meaning, a lot of good investment ideas really do start from being obscure from the general public or Wall Street. Peter Lynch indicated that in his book, One Up on Wall Street, where he said regular investors can do very well if they just pay attention to what's going on around them, and staying within their level of competence. Anyway, having said all that, I want to share with you my own investment approach. My investment approach tends to focus on equal parts cash flow and growth. I also believe in truly diversifying your portfolio in other types of assets. In my portfolio, I focus on 5 different investment categories. They are equities, option income, real estate, crypto, and Batshit. Yes, you heard that right, Batshit category. So, I break down my investment by percentages. 30% goes into both equities and option income, 25% into real estate, 10% into crypto, and 5% in Batshit. In equities, I believe in choosing specific investment theme rather than focusing on individual stocks. In my case, I chose to invest in an ETF that focuses on companies run by their founder, called the Boss ETF. This ETF is run by Global X, and it's based on sole active US founder-run companies index. It has shown to outperform the index during the bull markets. It has an expense ratio of 0.45%, and it's a very small fund with just $12 million. It has an inception date of February 2017, so it's a relatively new ETF that hasn't caught on by Wall Street yet, which I prefer. I have invested just about $6,600 in this fund so far. The next category is option income, where I focus on cash flow rather than growth. I also selected an ETF for this investment. I chose the Global X S&P 500 Risk Managed ETF, XRMI. This ETF uses the net credit collar strategy to earn monthly income on the S&P 500 index of stocks. My plan is to reinvest the monthly premiums, which yield to about 9% annually. Combining this with the Boss ETF, I believe I can get the best of both worlds between income and growth portfolio. So far, I have invested about $7,500 in XRMI. As I have said, I strongly believe in diversifying your investment portfolio to hedge against sudden market crashes. This is why I decided to invest in real estate. And not the typical real estate stocks, but in actual non-public real estate trusts. This type of investment focus on a variety of properties. The funds I invested in are Fundrise, Upside Avenue, and in a private real estate syndicate that invested in a multifamily apartment complex. There are a couple of advantages of investing in the non-public real estate funds. First, the funds are not tied to the stock market, meaning your investments are not subject to the market dips that you see from time to time. Second, it's the next best thing to investing in real estate on your own. These funds pretty much do what regular real estate professionals do. They buy, maintain, and sometimes sell properties for profit. You get the regular income as quarterly dividends, and can realize the growth of real estate when they sell these properties. I have invested a total of $9,000 across these 3 different real estate funds. Next in the list is my infamous crypto investments. No matter what your beliefs are in the crypto space, you can't deny it has gained a lot of traction in the investment world. I personally believe crypto will play a huge role in the future of finance and the structure of Web 3.0 as it is currently. But, just like my previous investments, I don't like to constantly research for individual crypto projects. Rather, I have put money in the top 10 cryptos by market capitalization. My reasoning is that, in this top 10, there will be a good number of projects that will grow and make significant impact in the future. Sure, you will see some meme coins in the list, but majority of them have real-world applications. So far I have invested about $2,700 across the top 10 cryptos. And lastly, my Batshit category. There are meme coins, option plays, and also investment in a non-public business in this category. I try to keep this just at 5% of my portfolio, because most of these are purely speculative. Maybe in the future, as the portfolio grows, I can invest in actual unicorns that could become public in the future. But so far, I have a total of about $2,200 invested in this category. So all in all, I have a total of about $28,000 invested in my small investment portfolio. I do have additional futures trading account which I have not included in this pile. This account is not included in the investment portfolio because it is an actively managed account that serves a different purpose. It is tied to my trading business under the SPOO's Daily Scalp strategy. Check the description for more info on how you can take advantage of my profitable trading strategy by subscribing to the system through Collective 2. Anyway, that's the end of this video. In the future, I will share periodic updates on how my portfolio is doing. The goal is to grow this organically and also adding more funds in this portfolio, so that each category will closely match the targets I have set. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.